So you really haven't seen me.
Can I just say, what I'm going to say is not going to make sense because my camera kept cutting off, but I hope you get the gist.
Especially doing makeup tutorials too. I haven't done one in months. And I know on my channel I tend to do more like colorful looks anyways, but it's because I'm not a neutral person. I generally like to do colorful. So today I'm going to be doing like a blue and orange look. If you're a regular viewer of my videos, you know that I usually start off my intro when like my whole face of makeup is done. But today I really wanted to do just like a really like chit chatty video because I haven't done one in so long. They were either like voiceovers or my camera has been stopping like every 5 seconds. And also lighting is obviously different. I am very shiny and I also keep looking right there because that's where my viewfinder is. Hopefully videos will be more consistent. I am in the process of dyeing my hair, so please ignore that it literally looks gross and disgusting, but okay, so I've already did my eyebrows off camera. I used, it's a very disgusting dip brow, but I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow pomade in ebony, and then I carved it out with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer. Also, this is gonna be like a pretty casual video. Not gonna do so much with it. Why am I yelling? I can't find one of the palettes I want to use. I'm just gonna go into the Huda Beauty Sapphire's Obsessions palette, and I'm going to go, that's a dirty mirror. I'm gonna go into this blue shade over here, and the Morphe M550, which is, I don't have autofocus, which is really annoying for me, but you know what, it's fine. Whatever, struggles of being a YouTuber. This is the brush. It's a pencil brush and I like it, so there you go. So I'm really going to be like packing this on. You know me, like you might not know me, but if you do know me, you know I really like my cut creases, so I'm going to be doing a halo eye today. Can I just say that like I cried when it was time to move out from college, which is so lame. It sounds so lame. Hello. Ew, ignore my nails. And right now I'm just gonna wing out the shadow. And I'm gonna wing it pretty far out. I would say like this is, yeah, this is the shape that I like my eyeshadow lately. I've really changed this, not the style that I do my makeup, but like my preference of how I like it done. Because oh, I have a notch in my eyebrow now. My mom really hates it, but you know, it's my own body, so it's fine. I really need to get a job. If you're watching my videos and like maybe you go to ACI, maybe you don't, maybe you just want to get your makeup done, I do have my bookings open now since I am home. I'm not at school anymore because the first year is finished, and I did graduate with an A average, so there you go. Now I'm gonna need to buy a new one of this palette, but I'm gonna go into the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, and I'm taking the teal shade, the one that's, nope, yep, I'm gonna take that one on this. It's a Luxie 141 mini round brush, so it's just like a little baby dome brush like that, and I'm gonna use it to blend this blue out, oh, tad bit, just a little bit. I'm just gonna take this light seafoam green color. Again, my nails are really disgusting, so I'm very sorry. But yeah, I'm just gonna use this to blend out that teal shade a little bit more. And I know it's looking really unblended right now, but don't worry, I'll blend it. Maybe. I'm kidding, I will. I'm gonna deepen up and blend the blue in because I'm not in frame. You know what, this is the technique that I used on my Instagram photo, which is why this is the technique that I wanted to use to recreate the look, but I don't know if it's the best technique ever. You know, to start with like the deeper shade and then blend the lighter ones in. I feel like, I don't know, I never do this, but for some reason I wanted to do it and it turned out pretty nice. Like, I was on FaceTime with literally Emily and it looked super, super good. So, and I know I'm only doing one eye right now, but it's because, you know, I do one eye, do the other eye off camera, and then I come back and I continue and do more stuff like that. So, okay, now I'm just going to take an e.l.f. eyeshadow brush. It's just like a really flat shader brush. Looks like that. And I'm going to take the same blue that I used to deepen up my crease, and I'm just going to do the halo bit with that. So like on the outer and inner corners of my eye. And like, also, I know I'm talking a lot, but like the reason why I like to wing out my eyeshadow this much is because I got really small eyes, if you can't tell, and like I feel like the wing shape really brings it out and like opens my eye a little bit in a sense. Like, I don't know, I just feel like it does something. It probably doesn't. It could possibly make my eyes look even smaller, but you know what? In my mind, it looks bigger. So, like, people have told me that my standards are really, really high. Like, people from school have told me that my standards are like sometimes unachievably high, and it's just like, that's just because that's what I strive for. It's like, because if I never meet that goal, the one day that I do, I'm gonna feel so accomplished, rather than having a goal that I can obviously meet. Like, I'm honestly not trying to brag, but my marks are pretty good. In my classes, like practical classes, I usually get like 85s or 90s, and that's really good. In Canada anyways, like those are A's. And like, I would say that's pretty good. And like, I know people who give me shit because when I get like an 82, I get upset because because that's not the mark that I believe that I deserve from it, and it's obviously a mark that I am not happy with. So it's just like, people think that I'm ungrateful for the 82, when in reality it's not up to my standard. And it's just like, you know, I could have done so much better, could have done so much more. Like, also this blue totally isn't working the way I wanted it to. Now I'm just gonna do the other eye off camera, and I'm just gonna be right back. This look isn't turning out how I wanted to. Yeah, that looks like a mess. I've also extended the eyeshadow a lot further than I wanted to. This whole look is just kind of a mess, but we're rolling with it because I don't want to not upload a video for a super long time. So after this video, there should be another one coming out next week as well. It's gonna be my concert vlog for the Ariana Grande concert, which honestly, that was a really good concert, but I think she's a really sad lady and she shouldn't have been on tour, but that's just my opinion. Just my opinion. Now I'm going to be taking my Alamar Cosmetics black concealer brushes from the, I don't want to try to say it with the accent and then sound funny, so the Ojitos brush trio. Oritos? No, Ojitos, because eyes. So, and I'm going to use the same Wet n Wild Photo Focus concealer and like do the halo-y bit, which good luck to me because I'm not good at halo eyes. Also, I'm not talking because this is super, super stressful. Not nice. Not very good at all. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Whatever. I'm just going to be using an orange now. I'm going to be using a neon orange from this palette. Gross, I know, but it's the only yellowy orange that is neon that I own, and I really like it. So, not that I bought it off their website. I bought it, it came in a BoxyCharm, so I was like, yes, I will have it. And honestly, only that one shade is good, so tea. So after I fill that in and it looks like a mushroom, I'm just gonna take the blue shade and kind of make it not look mushroomy. Kind of blend them together. Blend out orange and blue. How? I don't know. Can't tell you. Maybe this is why I did yellow. Because you can't blend them together. But on like my Instagram, it was like 51% blue and orange, 49% blue and yellow. So I listened to you guys. I shouldn't have done that. Oh, having a dilemma. This is very ugly. So like, what do I do? Like, I can't, it's not like I can fix it. Like, it's too late now. Like, oh. I really don't know what to do. Okay, I think that looks a little bit better. I mean, just a little bit. It still looks super patchy and not great, which I'm honestly super mad about. I have a plan. Okay, I'm gonna be out of frame. You can watch me if you want. You can watch me do my makeup here. Hello, One Direction boys. And for the yellow, I'm gonna be taking ColourPop Yes Please palette. I'm taking this. My palette is disgusting. I know I have to say that every single time, but because it is. But I'm just gonna be taking that color on a different flat shader. I mean, like synthetic flat concealer brush thing. I'm just gonna be putting that on my eye and hope no one clocks me for my ugly makeup that does not match each other at all. Oh my god, look at that. That looks horrendously ugly. You know what? I didn't even do my face yet. But I'm gonna try something different and do my lower lash line before my face makeup. And I'm gonna smoke out my lower lash line like a lot. And like, I heard somewhere that it was a rule that like, you know, you shouldn't bring colored eyeshadow past like however long your eyelashes are. But it's like, I don't have eyelashes on my bottom lashes. Like, that didn't make sense. I don't have lashes on my bottom lash line. I look very funny. Have I really been talking to myself for that long? Anyways, I'm putting on the It Cosmetics CC Cream and Light on my face right now. And it's super light coverage, and I know you can still see my acne through it, but it's like, everyone gets acne, everyone gets pimples, and it's not like I have like Desi Perkins again, so, you know, it's just not gonna be like that. And also this video probably seems very forced, like very rushed. Like, I'm obviously, the way I'm talking to the camera right now is less awkward than I was talking in my last makeup video. I don't know why my voice was this high, but it was super, super high in that video. Why? Can't tell you. I just realized I did my lower lash line and I put the concealer all the way up there. Ew, look at my concealer under my eyes. You know what? I'm never doing this again. It's really disgusting and dirty. And kind of just blend that out. I got this color beauty blender in their box things. Like, this is Beauty Blender, branded Beauty Blender. Because I know a lot of people say Beauty Blender and it's like not even Beauty Blender. And I've hit pan on the powder part because that's what I use to set my under eyes and my eyes and basically my whole face. So it's what I use to set. And tell me if you like this setup or like my old setup. Sorry, I know I'm getting out of frame. I'm adjusting in my chair. Because like my old setup, I was using like a softbox light, and that softbox light was super, super warm. So it made me super, super tan in like my videos. If you couldn't tell, like in my BoxyCharm videos, like I looked super tan unless I was filming it during the day, which I had one video where I was filming it in the afternoon. Like, who was I filming in the afternoon? I was going out to the beach, which is why. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the other side of the Wet n Wild palette. Honestly, like, I see YouTubers doing makeup on other people and it's so disgusting because it's not sanitary at all. I'm going to be using the most neutrally colored Wet n Wild angled contour brush to apply my blush. And I know this video is going to be super, super long just because I'm talking in it. I'm going to quickly do my winged eyeliner off camera because I cannot do it on camera, and I'm just going to be right back. So I put on eyeliner. The mascara I used was the Marc Jacob Velvet Noir mascara. Oh my god, the acid reflux. I'm taking my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk and lining my waterline. And since I did Since I did yellow on this, I'm going to put yellow in the waterline on that eye and then orange in the waterline for my other eye. Just to balance it out, you know. Like, this is already a failed look, but it's fine because it's fun, and if I want to remove it later, then I will. Now I'm going to throw on some lashes. I'm going to throw on the Dodo lashes in D326. They look like that. Super cute. Hopefully the next videos that I film that are makeup related aren't this much of a fail. I really got lash glue on my face. Also, yeah, comment down below what kind of videos you guys want to watch, because it's not that I'm running out of videos, it's just on my channel I want it to be a beauty channel so bad, but the videos that get the most views aren't my makeup ones. My makeup ones get like the least amount of views actually. Like, I get a lot of views on my vlogs, but it's like I don't go to concerts all the time. Like, it looks like my lashes go swoop down, but they don't. It's really the shadow. I'm gonna use the Aquarius lip gloss, and I'm gonna take the Fenty Diamond Milk gloss bomb on top. I was just gonna use Universal, but like, you know, I don't know where it is, so now I'm gonna set my face with the Morphe setting spray. It's the continuous setting mist. My Morphe M501 and the Anastasia Moonchild Glow Kit. I'm gonna take the shade Blue Ice, which is that one, and put them on the tops of my cheekbones. This side too. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's super rambly, and I know it's super random, and I know this looks not good, but I promise to be better in the future, because yeah, I just do. You know, a lot of the things that I do are trial and error, and most of the times if I do a look once and I try to recreate it, it looks garbage. That's it. I realized I never said my name in the intro of the video, which I always do. So my name is Cassie. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please click the like button and the subscribe button and hit the bell, because, you know, YouTube's thing, they released a statement saying, oh, they don't really notify all of your subscribers that you posted a video unless they hit the bell. So hit the bell and comment anything you want. It can be criticism, it can be like suggestions for videos, and it could be any kind of questions. I will answer all of them down below. Doesn't matter what time. You can be commenting on this video a year from now and I'll still answer you. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.